Now we're getting ready to cut down a tree. And the reason we're cutting this tree is because it was interfering with the roof. And so we have to remove the tree so that then we're going to work on the roof next. But first we're going to get the tree to clear off the tree. Alright, he's going to thin it out. Now the bottom first. Some of the limbs out of the way. In the end, that tree is doing the damage to the house. So we're going to go ahead and get that tree cut down, and then we're going to fix the roof. Okay, it wasn't easy, but we got the tree. So now we finished the tree, we moved the tree. Now we can access the roof a little bit better, and we can go ahead and get started working on the roof. So now that the tree has been cut down completely and removed, we're going to go back now and we're going to start working on the roof. We're getting ready to start putting the roof back together. We had to strip off quite a bit, remove quite a bit, trees and rotten wood. Now we're going to get ready to put it back together. Next phase, I'm going to go ahead and cover up these gaping holes with some plywood, and I'm just going to simply attach my tin back up here. Cover up my holes with some plywood and attach the tin. Okay, as you probably well know, right? I could try to nail this board up here all day, but if I don't hit beams or something up under the board, I won't get it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make me some trusty, dusty targets. This is marking for the beam. So now all I got to do is stay within that little triangle there all the way up, and I'm good. When I nail, I'll be hitting a beam. So I'm going to I got 2 beams to work with here. So I'm going to mark both of them, and I'm going to come straight down, making sure I hit a beam. Okay. Completed mission. We went ahead and just put some, we had to put some more wood here, and then we actually attached the tin to our fresh wood so that it'll stay in place, of course. And we went ahead and we put some fresh wood back here, attached the tin because that wood was completely rotted out. So we replaced all of that wood up there, and then we attached the tin up on top to our plywood and our side running boards, and it got stopped the leak. Let's go to the other side. Okay, as you can see, we had to replace some more running board here, and we'll attach the tin to the running board on the back side as well, so that we can stop all the leaks. And you can see the plywood there, and it just simply runs off the plywood.